Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sound. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far. Holding your breath still, you jump the fire. We'll just sit and wait till.
So here we are back in the REPerformance dyno room. How you doing, Rick?
Back again.
You've got somebody else with you today.
Yeah, Matt!
Yes.
Finally! It's been forever since I wrapped presents for you. And
Yeah, that's it. In my new wrapping paper.
You've got more trophies than us since then.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
So talk.
Do you want to tell us what we're here for today, Rick?
Yeah, so we've got a nice knitting pattern to get through, ready for demo. No, so car's finished. So we've just driven it on a dyno. First time Matt's seen it complete. Yeah, when you came down our last little bit,
Yeah, sort of bolted everything together.
Started
missing a few bits and bobs, but now it's ridiculously loud as well.
Now it's time to make some noise.
It is stupid. It is the biggest, most expensive kids' toy ever. Ever. What tops this? I don't know.
Is it what you expected?
Well, I'm about to drive it and find out. The looks of it is just crazy, and nothing compares to the looks of it. It's something like, it's a one-of-one thing. It's not every day you'll see a Gallardo. Well, there's not many of these even on the road anyway.
No, so I think you're the. You must be like the only LP560 in the UK. I'm pretty confident you are the only LP560
Yeah.
in the UK. But then like James done some really nice bits. I think me and him both feel the same, that the one-offs are what make us different.
Yeah.
You can go to 10 different turbo companies and buy pretty much the same off-the-shelf bit.
Yeah.
But like, I think James is super stoked like about your light.
Yeah, that is the next level. Yeah, we've got MA little light up, which actually you can see with the glass when the boot lid's closed as well. Little demo. Yes. So it's orange to match the brake calipers. That little extra things, they're the things that actually count. And when this is like parked up, it shows and stuff like that. Yes, it's a twin turbo Lambo, and then these extra things, just think, oh my god, that is ridiculous. With the MA logo as well, it's inside the centre of the exhaust. There's nothing else I could think that could top it to make it even better. There's nothing.
What about a load of noise, a load of flames, and skate silly?
Yeah, something like that, yeah. And a Portaloo inside, because I will be absolutely bobbing myself.
I told you, bring a bag full of pants.
I have, I brought a bag of pants.
me and James out in it till like, oh my god, like 11 o'clock last night, just trying to get the drivability stuff and bits and pieces. So yeah, I'm stoked to see what I do on a dyno. I think you'll.
I'm excited.
I can't wait to see your face.
I'm excited and I'm nervous at the same time.
Nothing to be nervous about. It's just ridiculous.
It's just driving a plane for the first time. See how it goes.
So, yeah.
Cool. So looking forward to the road test.
Yeah.
Let's get it done.
Let's see how it goes.
Let's get it.
See how it goes.
See ya.
Here we go.
We're rolling with the door open, just to cause any more noise, well, just to make any more noise than it actually does. It's going to be a hell of a lot louder. Let's see how this thing goes. First one, come on.
saying, what sort of power we got? Can we push it further, or am I going to kill myself? Go, Ricker.
So, yes.
What we
push
going to
it
get?
further.
What did we get?
That little run there you just saw, so pretty much out of the box. That's 810 horsepower at 6,500 RPM.
A minor 810 horsepower.
Yeah. It will do more. So we're going to be Mr. Sensible.
Yeah.
I'm going to send you off like that because you didn't have it long anyway.
No.
So
literally 2 months, and I probably drove it about 5 times in
so
those 2
I've
months.
just given you 250 horsepower, and that's at 0.6
Yeah.
of a bar. We normally run these at 0.8, 0.9.
Okay. And what would we expect?
You'd be high 900s.
About high 900s. So
Yeah.
are we missing? What do we need to
So
like?
the bit we have figured out during this project is the
Yeah.
Lamborghini Gallardo in-tank pump is smaller than the R8 ones.
Okay.
So when you come back, we're going to let you go do some mileage. Obviously, we've got motor fluids in there, so we'll let you do like a couple hundred miles. We'll do fluid change, top to bottom.
Yeah.
We'll check it over because that's just part of the service. That's what we do.
Yeah.
And then when you come back, then I'll have a drop-in pump ready for you.
Yeah.
Drop a pump in. I can push, but your fuel pressure's just dropping off. I'm not happy.
Yeah.
So I don't want to push to a point where we're unsafe. So since we found out, I went away and done some investigation. Yeah, the pump is like 20% smaller than an R8 one.
Right.
Which is why on a Gen 1 we can run quite a bit more. On a Gen 1 R8 we can run quite a bit more power for the same boost. So
Perfect.
yeah, softly, mate.
That's it.
And
Yeah.
what I don't want is you ringing me going, at a moment.
I've binned it. Yeah. Well, that's
Because-
it. Probably the most sensible thing about putting a twin turbo on a Lamborghini Gallardo.
Hey, we're sensible here.
We are so completely sensible. So we're going to stick to it now at 810 bhp, only a minor. I was scared at 550, so I'm going to see how it goes, and then obviously we'll come back and maybe request more power. I don't know.
Do you want tie or carbon?
Carbon.
I knew you were going to pick. So thanks to our special friends over at Funk Motorsport. And I've just run it, so this is going to be interesting.
You've got one a bit late, really.
So, they also double up as a
Oh, what do you call that?
cock protector.
No, it's
cup?
called a box.
Alright.
Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sounds. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far, holding your breath still.